All right, quick update video. So here we are. Last week, we got the motor out-ish. We still had a few things left to work on it. I had a little bit of wiring. I had the fuel gauge wiring and the wiring harness that was still connected. So got that all disconnected, and then we got the motor out. So that's as far as I'm gonna go for now. And I was planning on getting the truck out of the shop, but there's a few things I want to get out of it before I go get ready to retire it. AC, I'm working on pulling the AC. I'm gonna go over there in just a second, but I did score some of these. Yep, I mean, who doesn't need another pair of 5-way Pioneer 6x9s? And they are the, ooh, not the, let's see how, they are the 600 watts. I don't know if that's any good or not, but we got them. So let me go in here. Let me flip the camera around and show you inside the truck. All right, here we go. So I pulled the throttle cable. I pulled out the slave cylinder for the clutch. And I'm trying to get the AC out, in which I want to keep the AC. I'm going to dump a lot of the components. I don't need everything. I'm going to try to keep the original controls. And I'm in the midst of pulling out the box out. And so I'll eliminate like the defroster and that kind of stuff, because it's not going to fit under the dash of the Loadstar. But I've got to this rat's nest, literally. And so that's gonna be enough of that for today. So I'll show you some more things. So this was the air diverter that it actually fits on the air box like this. So it uses this ductwork to go around underneath the dash and to the windshield, right? So my plan is to, after I got this out, it's square, and instead of going up, I'm gonna try to invert it, and we're gonna go under the dash using some of the existing ductwork that we had. So I'm gonna try to make that work. What else? Don't look at that shifter. You know, we're in Texas, everything's bigger. And the slave cylinder, the motor with all of its glory. Not a P pump, fortunately, but beggars can be choosers. So see how dirty it is. I got to do a lot of cleaning up, and what I plan on doing is getting the rest of the parts I want off the truck off, and then we'll get the truck out of here. Then this will go, I'll bring the tractor around and we'll move it around outside and give it a big bath, degreasing, and go from there. So that's it for this video. Of course, we had some stuff going on this week. I may have spent like half an LS motor on pumping out the septic tank. Then we also have LST tomorrow. We're gonna make that trip, so we'll have some footage of that later too. So anyways, thanks for watching.